Hi, I'm Hayden from Smartline Personal Mortgage Advisors. I'm here today to talk about the loan process. You may find that a confusing or daunting process, but really it's quite simple. It's only 5 steps to settlement. And step 1 is the loan appointment. And at that appointment, your advisor will sit down with you, look at your financial position, the requirements you're looking for in a loan, and then assess from our range of lenders and products to choose from. We have over 25 lenders, 400 odd products, but ideally we try and break that down to 4 or 5 that suit your requirement. We'll go through the pros and cons of each of those with you, and ultimately you'll decide which lender to choose. It's at that point we need to do an application form, and again your advisor will help you process that. There's loan documentation that is required to accompany the application form, and that's where we get to step 2, sending all of that to the lender. We submit the loan to the lender, and the lender does an assessment with their own assessment team, and they'll issue what we call a conditional approval. Now, conditional approval means that they're very happy with your borrowing capacity. They just need to make sure the property you want to buy is acceptable to them. We're now at step 3, the exciting part. Go and buy a property. You know you can go out there, bid at auction, put an offer in with confidence. You've got the approval in your back pocket. Once you've found that property, the bank will need to do a valuation. So they have an independent panel, and the valuer will go out there, value the property, send it back to the lender, and the lender will issue you an unconditional approval and the loan offer documents. We're at step 4. These loan offer documents are very important, and again your advisor will sit down with you and go through them. They outline all the fees and charges, terms and conditions of the loan for the duration of the term. These need to be signed and sent back to the bank. Step 5 is the settlement process. There's not much for you to do here. From step 4 to step 5, it's all to do with the bank and your conveyancer and your advisor. The 3 of them will talk to each other and ensure a smooth transition to settlement. But settlement is the day you own the property. So it's time to celebrate, move in and enjoy. If there's any questions you have on the loan process, don't hesitate to contact Smartline Personal Mortgage Advisors.